Alright, here we come to the elevators at the Wyndham Garden Hotel in College Station, Texas. I remember filming these elevators back in late 2021, which was December. Anyways, I absolutely love that big circle with the star in the middle of it, which represents the Lone Star State. So anyways, we'll get around these elevators here. Unfortunately, the left elevator car is broken. See, the left elevator car is out of service. All right, here it is. There's people getting off, so let's get inside. 4. Unfortunately, there will be no updated hotel tours because I'm on a limited time schedule. But we'll go ahead and get a view. See, this is a view out into Texas Avenue, and as you look over to your right, you can see Kyle Field right there. You barely see Texas A&M University except for that big white building block in the way. Well, that right there is your view of Texas Avenue right there. And I heard the elevator go, so with that being said, we'll go ahead and call it. That sign looks like it's there we go. Just have to help it a little bit. All right, here it comes. Oh, it stopped at 3. We'll go back down on this one, and then after that we'll end the tour on 2, because that's where my room is. Love that chime. Hopefully there's no one in it. I think we'll take for one more ride, try to get an uninterrupted ride. I want to get a full detail cap view of this. Like I said, I'm unfortunately not going to be doing any hotel tours nor room tour because, for one, I'm on a time schedule, and second of all, our room is actually a mess right now, and I don't want to film anything that is messy. But anyways, go back down to 2 and we'll end it there. All right, here we are at 2. Let's ring the bell. Love that chime. All right. There it goes, and that's it.